Hello, lovely learners of preschool. How are you? And my viewers out there, I hope you are very fine. Likewise, me, I'm also fine. Today, our subject is science Q, and the topic is non-living thing. You can remember last time that we learned about living things, which I told you that living things are those things that have life in them. I also mentioned you as a living thing, me as a living thing, animals as living things, plants as living things. So today we are no longer talking about living things, rather is non-living things. And what are non-living things? Non-living things are those things that have no life in them. It does not have life. Non-living things are those things that have no life in them. That means they cannot eat, they cannot talk, they cannot move, they cannot do anything. So they are non-living things. We have so many examples of non-living things. I have something like table is a non-living thing. Chair is a non-living thing. Bag is a non-living thing. Shoes, they are non-living things. So many things. Those things you know very well that they cannot eat, they cannot talk, they cannot move, they cannot do anything. Know it that it is a non-living thing. Beautiful. Now let me give you the meaning of non-living thing and some of the examples of non-living things. Like I said, that I want to give you the example on the board. Now the meaning of non-living thing. Non-living things are those things that do not have life in them. Can you repeat after me? Non-living things are those things that do not have life in them. That's beautiful. Now look at the examples of non-living things. Number one, we have here chair. Say chair. Chair. Right, look at this object. You can see that this is a chair. What object is this? Chair. Beautiful. It is a non-living thing. Have you seen? It does not have life in it. It cannot talk, it cannot walk, cannot also do anything. Is a non-living thing. Number two, table. Table. It is a non-living thing. Have you seen the picture of a table? I believe you know. Alright. Number three, book. Look at your book. That your exercise book is a non-living thing. Number four, stone. Stone. Look at the stone here. That stone outside your compound is a non-living thing. The stone does not walk, cannot move, cannot eat, cannot do anything, does not breathe. Do stone breathe? No, it can't, because it is a non-living thing. I can still show you more example here. Look at example here. We have here table. Table. You say this is a table. It is a non-living thing. Have you seen the table? It's shown that it is a non-living thing. This is a book. It is a non-living thing. Like I told you earlier, this is a stone. It is a non-living thing. It is immovable. They can't eat, they can't breathe, they can't talk. It's a non-living thing. So when you see it, you identify it as a non-living thing. This is a chair. Have you seen a chair? Yes, it is a non-living thing. This is also a bag. A bag is a non-living thing. Have you seen it? It is a non-living thing. Another example is pencil. Have you seen pencil? That your pencil you use in writing is a non-living thing. Cannot talk, cannot move, cannot eat. Look at it here. So with this, I believe you understand that non-living things are those things that do not have life in them. You can as well list the example for me while I give you homework. Now, this is your homework. Number 1 says, what are non-living things? You write it in this space that I've given. Number 2 says, list 5 examples of non-living things. I've given you more than 5 examples of living things. You can as well list more than 5 if you care. Alright, thank you. I believe with what we have learned, you'll be able to know what living thing is. Keep staying safe. Love mommy and daddy. Beautiful baby.